Om Shanti. Essence of Avyakt Murli. 23rd June 2024. Title of Murli. Accumulate in your account of blessings by keeping a balance of being constructive and having humility. Today, Bap Dada gave the children the title of Holy Happy Hans and said that the souls who are always clean and pure in heart are the Holy Happy Hans. And they are the closest and most loved souls to Bap Dada. Because such souls with clean hearts are always seated on the heart throne of Bap Dada, they appear simple and clear in their growth, vision, speech and relationships and connections. Then Baba also told that today in the subtle region, Baba said something about Bap Dada that made your soul happy. Father Brahma said to Father Shiv that now the transformation should take place as quickly as possible. So Baba said that to bring about destruction or transformation is not even a matter of clapping your hands, but a matter of snapping your fingers. However, even half of the rosary of 108 has not been prepared yet. So what is the reason for this? Then Baba said that if all the Brahman children imbibe one speciality as quickly as possible, then the rosary of 108 will be ready very soon. And that speciality is that as much as you have made progress in service, that is, as much as you have built, there should also be a balance of humility. But sometimes, instead of humility, self-pride also gets mixed in the progress of service. Therefore, the blessings that one should get from those in contact with him are not received. In the end, Baba said, no matter how much service you do, keep moving forward in the tune of your service, but along with service, this account of virtues of humility and sociability must be deposited. Then don't say that I did a lot of service, I did this, I did that. Still, why is the number behind? Blessing for today. May you be a great soul who gives a vision of closeness to the Father with your sweetness. Details are: the children who have sweetness in their thoughts, sweetness in their words and sweetness in their actions are close to the Father, and this is why the Father says to them every day, sweet, sweet children. The children also respond with, sweet, sweet Baba. So, these sweet words every day make you full of sweetness. Elevated souls who reveal sweetness are great. Sweetness is greatness. If there isn't sweetness, there cannot then be the experience of greatness. Slogan is, perform every task while being double light and you will experience entertainment. Om Shanti.